Let's go walk with the folks. It's going to start raining pretty soon. Well, it's been raining a little bit. See if we can use the bathroom real quick before it rains. It's get heavy.
You have entered the monitoring area.
We got some heavier rain coming in for about an hour or so. Hear the birds singing?
You have entered the monitoring area.
Mommy cut the grass yesterday. Yep. I need to weed eat a little bit. But not today. I need to do some more planting today. I mean, this weekend. So what are we doing, doggies? Uh-oh, she's gonna lay in the grass. Roll in the grass. I can feel some raindrops, doggies. Barkley's peeing. Good boy, Barkley. Good boy. No, get away from there. That's where Barkley pees. It's going to be raining. Trying to get your walk out before it starts pouring down. Come on, Lucy. Come on, Lucy. What you doing? That dog. I gave up trying to stop her. You go roll like a yo-yo, girl. There she goes in. I don't know what it is. She smells something in the ground. She wants to roll into it. Lucy, if it starts pouring down rain and you're going to be running. Here it comes. Here comes the rain. Yeah, I told you. That'll stop you, girl. Yeah. It'll stand under these trees a little bit. Not a whole lot of leaves on these trees yet. Slow down the rain a little bit. Woo! I want you to use the bathroom, Lucy. Barkley peed. I want you to pee too. There's light rain right now. Go ahead and pee. Yeah, there you go. Good girl. Good girl, Lucy. Yeah, that's a good girl. Now I won't have to worry about you for another couple hours. Let's go in the house. Where's dryer? Come on. Thanks to folks for walking with you. So thank you, folks. Thank you. We got wet for you. Thanks for watching, folks.